Hey there, everybody. It's Chris Curtis with 2AM Traffic, and I just wanted to make this quick video to go over our fundraising plugin with you because this is really exciting to me, not only because you can use it to raise money for whatever you want, but basically, guys, everybody knows somebody who has a softball team, a football team, a church group. Think about youth groups going on mission trips. 2AM Traffic is the perfect platform for them to use to be able to raise funds. So this is a way for you to be able to build your 2AM Traffic business as well as be able to raise funds for whatever you want as long as you're honest about what you're raising funds for. An example would be you wouldn't want to claim to be a 501c3 if you're not. People will donate money to your cause if you have a good cause. And the cause may be just buy me a cup of coffee if you like the content on my website, and you can basically set this fundraiser up very simply. You can create as many fundraisers as you want, but underneath the settings tab of your fundraising plugin, and by the way, guys, this is just another example of how the 2AM Traffic blog platform goes above and beyond what you're going to find anywhere else. You're not going to find plugins like this on any other blog network out there, and that's because Keith and I really take the time to not only set these blogs up individual for each and every person that we create a blog for, but we are on top of the maintenance, we're on top of updating everything, and we actually pay to have these plugins available for you. And that's something that a lot of other site admins aren't willing to do. We're willing to do it for you, which is why I believe what we have is the best of the best. So basically underneath the settings tab, guys, this is where you're going to insert your PayPal information. Here would be your PayPal email address. Now, if you wanted to return them to the site and for them to show up as a pledger and for it to calculate the amount of donations you've received on your site, now it's going to go into your PayPal account regardless. But basically, once they donate to you, it's just they're going to stick there on PayPal. This is going to allow them to return by pasting this URL right here into your instant payment notifications in your PayPal account. Now, you do need to have a PayPal business account, and it's free to set one up. If you already have a PayPal account and it's not a business account, you can actually convert it to a business account very easily, and you can basically create an account with PayPal for every single email address that you have. So you don't have to have just one PayPal account. You can have really as many as you want. And this is underneath the profile settings of your business account. So you'll see instant payment notifications. That's where you want to copy and paste this URL into the box that it gives you there. And then that way people can be returned to your 2AM Traffic blog and all of that good stuff. So basically that's the way you set up your payment gateway. And from there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create your fundraiser. And again, like I said, everybody knows somebody who wants to raise funds. So there are a couple of ways you can go about this. You can set up a PayPal account for the different businesses that you're raising funds for, or the different groups that you're raising funds for, and maybe charge them a percentage of the funds that they raise. Or you can plug them into 2AM Traffic. They can pay the monthly fee for 2AM Traffic, and you would get the 50% commissions off of that group. So if it's a softball team or a football team or whatever, they can literally raise money all year round, and the only cost that they're going to have associated with it is for the 2AM Traffic platform. So pretty cool idea, but you would just enter your title up here. Now, one of the things, guys, this plugin kind of has a little glitch. It's not a big deal or anything like that, but I did want to go over that with you. So we'll say help us go on our mission trip to Mexico this summer. Okay, and like I said, you're not going to want to lie, and this isn't true, so I'm going to delete this after we create it, but you're not going to want to tell people that you're going on a mission trip if you're not going on a mission trip, all that stuff. We definitely want to have integrity and do things the right way. But down here is where you would put the description of whatever it is that you're doing. Our church is going to Mexico and we need your help. And all of your content, of course, would go in there. Now, one of the things that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save the fundraiser. Now it's going to bring up this confirmation tab that says, do you want to leave this page? You're going to go ahead and click on leave this page. Okay. And this is a glitch that people have had a little bit of trouble with, but it's not going to take you off of the page. And as a matter of fact, if I select simple donations, wait for that to update. We'll select simple donations, save fundraising type. From that point on, it's not going to take you off the page. Okay. Once you save the fundraising type, it's going to bring up the customization capabilities. So yes, you can, select what kind of style you want, or you can use your own CSS. If you know how to, do cascading style sheets, you can do that. You also can allow reoccurring donations, and you can position your panel basically above or below the content, basically wherever you want. But what we're going to do is we're going to insert this into a blog post. As a matter of fact, I have I have a fundraiser over here. Actually, we don't even have to do that. So once you create your fundraiser, you're going to go to view the fundraiser. This is going to be the link to your fundraiser. Okay, so you can see how short this is. And then you can see the donation button down here. They can basically enter the amount that they want to donate. And once they enter that amount, so I'll say $10, and then back this project. And by the way, guys, in the settings, all of this stuff can be changed underneath presentation. So it's going to take them to your PayPal account where they're going to be able to donate money directly to you. Now, here's something cool. Let's say that you want to do a fundraiser for your church. Okay, so what I would do is I would go into new post, enter 2 a.m. traffic. Now, make sure your settings are set up in the settings tab. But let's say I wanted to do one for my church, and we would just do the same thing. Mission trip to Mexico. And then I would enter all my content here. Now, I can insert the fundraiser wherever I want. So I'm going to insert it right here at the very top. Now here, I can do a default PayPal button. I can do my own custom button. We'll just stick with the default button here, and then help support our mission trip to Mexico. Really simple to do. And then I can insert the church's PayPal email address here, or I can insert the softball team or baseball team's PayPal email address. I can leave it blank if I want them to have the choice. And so I'll just insert my PayPal account. I can insert the short code, and that short code is going to appear anywhere I want it to in my post. So we'll save a draft and see what it looks like. And then if we view it, you can see that it draws the PayPal button in right here where they can just click on the PayPal button and donate. So it's a great little idea for those of you who want to really get creative and think outside of the box on ways that you can get people to do fundraisers through 2 a.m. traffic. Not to mention, it allows you to build your 2 a.m. traffic business. And any way you look at it, when you sign up 2 people with 2 a.m. traffic, guys, your 2 a.m. traffic membership is paid for. So think about all the people you know who have a sports team. Think about all the people you know in your church, if you go to church, who are trying to raise funds to go on mission trips or choir trips or whatever it is. There are all types of people out there who are trying to raise money all the time. And with the 2 a.m. traffic blog platform, guys, they can do it really easily. You can either do it for them, and like I said, take a percentage of the donations that they have, or you can sign them up with an account through 2 a.m. traffic and get 50% each and every month. So just wanted to create this video and send it out to everybody, and let you know that if you're not an upgraded member of 2 a.m. traffic, this is something that you're definitely going to want to take advantage of, because our fundraising plugin, guys, is just one of the many advanced features that we have for you. And it's so customizable that you can really use it in unique ways to raise money for whatever in the heck you want to. Like I said, you could have put buy me a cup of coffee if you like this content. The key is to be honest, have integrity, raise money for whatever you're raising money for. If you want to take your wife on a trip to Mexico, say, hey, help me take my wife on a trip to Mexico. it's not illegal to raise funds. You know, that's the thing. You can raise funds for whatever you want to. And this is just another great way to monetize your blog. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully if you're not an upgraded member, you're seeing more and more how you need to take advantage of what we have to offer here, and you go ahead and get upgraded. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.